In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can change default timeline resolutions for new projects in DaVinci Resolve 20. So in your project, go to the cogwheel here at the bottom right, and then here you can choose whichever resolution you want to have as a default resolution for your new projects. Let's say you want a vertical, you then choose vertical. You have these 3 dots here on top. If you click this, you can say you want to save this current setting as a preset or set the current settings as a default preset. And if you choose the set current settings as default preset, then all your new projects will have this timeline resolution applied to it. So that's an easy way to change your default timeline resolutions for new projects in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.